Hello inventors, welcome back to our channel. This is day 29 of MIT App Inventor series. So here we go. So click on start new project and my project name is Day 29 app and okay. So in this app we will create here one amazing game. Okay, so what I will do here, just click on drawing an animation and just drag and drop your canvas like this and make this width and height is fill parent like this. Cool. Now I'm going to use here one ball or I'm going to use here one image spread like this. Cool, like this image spread I'm going to use here, and this I will use as a home. Okay, and I will use another image spread that I will use for the dog or puppy. So let me just select one picture. I already have one picture. Okay, so I will give you link in the description. So let me just select this file. So as you can see that home.png I have, just okay, and I will make this width and height is 100 pixel like this. And what I will do here, I'll just copy and paste this image, okay, this one here, and I will change that image to the puppy. So select image, upload file, choose file, this puppy.png, and okay. So I will decrease the size of this puppy to 50 px like this. So what we need to do here, it's fine, 50 and height is 100, or let's just make 50 also. See how the look. Cool, it's look great. Now what I need to do, we need to match that puppy with his home here. Okay, so how we can do this? So we are going to use the orientation sensor and obstacles. So for that I'm going to use again here image spread like this. So what I will do, I'll just use one image spread and just use picture, upload file, and again we are going to use here image. So choose file, and as you can see here, that's the line. So we are going to use here some lines, okay, like this. So we need to make this height and width is same like 100 pixel like this. Okay, so you can use multiple obstacles like this. Okay, so no one can easily match that dog with his home, like, okay, or you can use more like this here. Like you can design this overall game, okay, according to like your requirement, or you can change the design of this game also. Okay, and like this, done. Now what I will do here, I'm going to use here, let's go to the block. Okay, now we need to move that dog. So how we can move that dog puppy? So we're going to use a orientation sensor. So click on sensor and just drag and drop this orientation sensor like this. Let's go to the block, and once this sensor changed, okay, orientation changed, then click on that image spread. Which one is this? One is image spread 2. So image spread 2 dot heading. So find the heading, this one like this. The heading should be, click on orientation sensor and you will find the angle like this. Cool. And we need to use here one more thing. Click on again the image spread 2 like this and set the speed. So where is the speed? Is this one, and just call this here, and you can set that speed to anything like 5, 10 or 20 like this. Cool, that's it. Now what I need to do, we need to use here one, like if this puppy will match, or suppose if this puppy will collide with any images here, okay, any obstacles, so we need to move it again here in this point. So this point is 250 and 328, okay, 250 and 328. So go to the X, click on the image spread 2 and check when, okay, when image spread 2 collide with other, okay, collide with other, then what we need to do here, we need to move that image spread 2 to move, just call it move XY. So what is the X? The X we already have checked that is 250 something. Let's check again, is like 250 and 328, 250 and 328 like this. So we will move again this position. Okay, now once this puppy collide with this image spread 1, so what I will do here, so for that what we will do, let's go to the image spread, we go to the design, check image spread 1, image split 1, yes. Okay, so once the when image split dot collide with other, okay, so what I will do, I will just add this like you won something, okay, and you won the match or something. So go to the notifier here, go to the user interface, notifier, just drag and drop this notifier here like this. Let's go to the blog and let's call it this notifier, and you will see here, so this show message dialog we will just use here this. Then we will display one message like you won the match or you won the game or something. Okay, you win the game something. Okay, this is the message. So I'm going to is like title is winner, okay, and button text is something restart like this. Okay, so this is the overall game. Let's see how this will work. Okay, so I'm going to use here USB to check my app. So let's connect that USB with the laptop, and that's I have one Android phone I have. So let's try this. So as you can see, this game is start. So let me just move my dog like this, okay, and what I need to do, I need to move this dog like if once it's touched with any obstacle, so this will move again to the that position, as you can see this. So what I will do, I'll just use here, just go like this from here and just go to the home. You can make it harder, okay, this, and as you can see, winner, you win this game. Okay, so that's the amazing game that we have created with the help of orientation sensor. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me on comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video, and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.